Page 309, this is the one at the bottom of the page on harmonizing. It's like a lead sheet or a fake book or whatever. They got a melody and we got the Roman numeral chords under the bottom. Normally in a fake book or whatever, you get the chord names above it, but they're giving us the chord numbers at the bottom. Makes it easier when you transpose it. But let's see what we got. First, the melody. 1 flat, we're in the key of F major. We kind of know what key we're in because the Roman numerals apply to the key. 6/8 time with a pickup. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, then the chords. What are they first? Well, we have a 1 chord. Then we have a 5-6-5. Remember all this junk? It's a 5 chord, which would be here, and the 6-5 is telling you it's a 7th chord in first inversion. It's here because we have a 5 interval and a 6 interval. They don't have to put a 5-7-6-5. It's just 5-6-5 tells you that. 1, 5-7, 1. Well, this is fun. Until the last 2 measures. Now we get a 2 chord in first inversion here, because that's the interval of the 6th, and the third, the interval of the 3rd, we don't put in the 3rd. It's understood. So it's the 3rd here. Then the 5, and then a 5-7 in root position. Well, that's here. Gonna have to be down here because the melody's here. So this 2 chord here, gotta be down here. And then the 5-7 chord is here, and the 1. So we get the chords, and then we put the chords with the melodies to see if it sounds okay here. Remember the 2 chord and here? 5-7. Yeah. So we kind of worked that out a little bit. Maybe these first chords should be down here. Yes. I don't think so. I don't know here. Either that, I'm going to play all the notes in the left hand here, and I can take the melody up 1. That works too. Depends on what sounds good. What sounds good to you? Now, they're only suggested block chords, but you can do that with 3. Or try different things out. Different patterns and so forth out just to get an idea of what they are, and you'll discover new patterns. Oh, I like that pattern. I'll use that some more too, whatever. Now they want you to transpose this to G major because we're having too much fun in F major. So now we go up 1 to G major, 1 sharp. So all the notes in the music go up 1 instead of a C, it's a D. And we're going to play in the key of G major, so all the Fs are sharp. Chords again, 1 chord, 5-7. The 2 would be here with a 6 chord. The 2 is here, and the 6 chord would be here. And then the 5-7 is here, and a 1. You put them together. Chord, remember? And then here, 5-7, 1. Yeah, you did that. Just pretend I did that wonderful, and let's go on. Yeah.